Hi students, this is Miss MG again. This is our second assignment, which is due Thursday the 24th before class. So again, genocide and Holocaust. We talked about the terms of stereotypes, prejudice, and racism today in our Google Meet session. Now you'll be looking over the term of genocide and how this relates to the Holocaust. So there's 4 parts in your graphic organizer here, and parts A through D. And again, you're going to write your responses for each part in the box that's connected in the graphic organizer. So for part A, genocide. Comprised of a Greek root, genos, meaning race, nation, or tribe, and the Latin suffix "cide," meaning killing. Using the meanings of genos and cide, predict a definition for genocide. So maybe you can figure it out. Again, if you're going to be using read and write, right here, make sure that Chrome bar is up, and then you can always look up the definitions for these under dictionary, or even for the same word for genocide. Part B, the intention of genocide is the total annihilation of a race or ethnic group. This is usually desired as a solution to a problem. How do genocides come about? So, if you're not sure how to answer this question, I would recommend watching these 2 videos where it says watch these videos to help you with parts B and D. One is how did Hitler rise to power? And then Holocaust, genocide, and mass murder. So you just click on that and the link for each video will pop up. And after you've done that, part C, Holocaust, derived from a Greek root meaning burnt whole. Traditionally, the term was used in religious ceremonies to refer to burnt offerings. What does the term refer to today? So maybe for this part, to answer this question, you might see something in those 2 videos, or you might have to do a little Google research. So again, you can always highlight this term burnt whole and then use your read and write to do a Google web search, and you just click on that and then that link will pop open for you. But make sure you have the right response. So after you answer that question, go back to part D. The Holocaust is the worst genocide in modern history. What books, movies, or accounts have you read, seen, or heard that focus on the Holocaust? So maybe you're familiar with the Holocaust, you've seen some movies, or you've read some books. Write those examples right here below that question. If it means accounts, that means stories from people who've actually survived or gone through the Holocaust. Have you read a story before? From a person who's actually experienced that, then write that example there. And then again, what terms, people, and names do you associate with the Holocaust? So again, if you're watching the movies out of these 2 links that I posted right here, you might see some terms or people that pop up that you can associate with the Holocaust. So again, watching these 2 video links will help you with parts B and D. So after you're done doing this assignment, you can turn it in. This is sort of, an intro assignment tonight, so you can learn some of the terms, you can learn some of the people, and sort of the meaning behind genocide. All right, thank you.